sponsored by ReadyWig. ReadyWig reached out to you, girl, and sent me this beautiful wig that is inside this box, honey. This wig looks bomb, so I really feel like it should be worth it. So this is how it came in the box. Like I said, I have opened it already to make sure that it was the correct wig. And this is the wig that I will be reviewing. So it comes with your wig. It comes with a card, a hair care card. And it also comes with a pack of wig caps. So that's always good. They basically give you everything you need to maintain and take care and wear this wig. This is the wig that I have on my head. I'll actually insert a screenshot of the actual wig that I have. I'll also leave it down below. Now let's talk about this wig before I put it on. Or fuck it, let me just go ahead and put it on. So first of all, the cap construction is like this. So this is a lace front, not a lace frontal. Don't confuse the two, sis, because you're going to be mad as fuck. A lace front is basically where it has a parting space down the middle and a little bit, about 2 inches of lace on the side. But the lace does go from ear to ear, so you can wear it in up style. You can do flip over method, that type of jazz, and center part. Now, when you put it on, so this is what the wig looks like just thrown on. Straight in this wig is probably about 14 inches. I'm 5'9", and that's how long it comes down to on me. Even the hairline, I'm gonna come a little closer so you guys can see. It is a little thick, but it is easy customizable for you to just pluck out a few hairs if it's not natural enough for you, or you can go ahead, if it's not natural enough for you, add baby hairs, you know, that type of jazz. Y'all know I'm an extra ass girl, okay? So that's right up my alley. And I know a lot of you dolls are as well. Let me see. So without further ado, I'm going to go ahead and glue this wig down. You guys see me do this a million times. So I'm just going to go ahead and glue this wig down, and then I'll come back and talk to you guys more about this wig. So the wig is glued down onto my head. So a few specs about this wig. Let's see. All I did to style this wig was pull out a little sideburn in the front like that, tuck it behind my ear, and then that was all. I'm actually going to show you guys some different styles you can achieve with this wig, even though it is a lace front unit. Keep in mind that this is a synthetic lace front unit, so because it does have lace, they did do a pretty good job with the hairline. But since it does have lace, you probably want to customize it to your own, you know, add your powder, you know, the stuff that you would normally do, girl. It just make it look real bomb. You want to customize it to your liking. The wig does come with transparent lace, transparent thin lace at that, girl. So it lays really, really, really good. It looks so freaking good. Oh my God. And right now I'm wearing this in a center part just to show you guys the parting space. The parting space does go all the way back here. So it's pretty good parting space, you know. As far as the color, like I told y'all, this is a rose gold. I don't know if my camera is picking it up, but yes, I think this wig is going for $32. Don't quote me on that. Like I said, I will leave how much it is, the style of the wig at the bottom of the screen, as well as in the description box if you guys want to go ahead and check out this wig. If you don't, ReadyWig has so many colorful bomb wigs on their website, and you guys know we live for the affordable units. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys what she looks like, give you guys the 360. This motherfucker looking at me like I'll voice my mind. So this is how it looks to the side. Oh my God, girl. So guys, that is it for this video. Hope you guys enjoyed this wig. Make sure you guys go ahead and check out ReadyWig's website. There's that. But yeah, so thank you guys so much for watching this video, and until next time, bye guys.